Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Emily. Emily was determined to climb a tall tree in her backyard. She had tried many times before, but she always fell. Emily's friends would laugh at her and tell her to give up. But Emily was not one to give up easily. She knew that she could do it if she just kept trying. One day, Emily decided to try a different approach. She watched the squirrels climb the tree, and she noticed that they used their hands and feet to grip the branches. She also noticed that they were very careful not to jump. Emily decided to try the same thing. She began by practicing on a smaller tree. She slowly and carefully climbed up, using her hands and feet to grip the branches. After a few tries, she made it to the top. Emily was so excited. She knew that she could now climb the big tree in her backyard. She went home and told her friends, but they didn't believe her. They told her that she was just making it up. Emily was determined to prove them wrong. She went back to the tree and started climbing. This time she was even more careful than before. She took her time and made sure that she had a good grip on the branches before moving on. After a while, Emily finally reached the top of the tree. She was so proud of herself. She had climbed the tree that she had always wanted to climb, and she had done it all by herself. Emily's friends were amazed. They couldn't believe that she had actually done it. They apologized for not believing her, and they told her that they were proud of her. Emily was happy that her friends were proud of her, but she was even happier that she had never given up on her dream. She learned that if you really want something, you never have to give up. You just have to keep trying, and eventually you will achieve your goal.